How to insert page numbers in Word starting from page 2. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word starting from page 2. Let's get started. First of all, place your cursor right at the beginning of the second page just before any text. Then go to Layout tab and click Breaks. Under Breaks, click Next Page, and then after that, go to the Insert tab. Click on Page and choose where you want the page numbers to appear. So I will choose bottom of page, the center, or the plain number 2. Then, click Page Number and click Format Page Numbers. Under Page Numbering, select Start At, then click OK. You will now see that page 2 starts with number 1, exactly what we want, but the page 1 is also appearing on the first page. Just highlight the first page. Then, under Section Toolbar, click on Different First Page. Now, just double-click anywhere or close the header and footer, and that's it. You've added page numbers to your Word document starting from page 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.